So we go to SU24 T code, that is the customer table, USO, BX, USO, BT, USO, BX and BT table. These tables are getting the data from SU22. SU22 is the T code to see the tables, data of these tables, and we have to copy to the customer space, USO BX underscore C and USO BT underscore C. So you can see IDOC, workflow, ABAP, HTTP service, then transaction code FD03. Execute. Here you are having all the informations. Here we are having authorization default values. These default values, authorization default values. So these default values are coming from those tables. So B underscore BUPA, RLT, activity 0303, activity 03, this company value is there. You are able to see the default value here. It is showing 03 value. So whenever you are going to assign this transaction code to a particular role, in that role, the value will be automatically filled for this this authorization object. Activity field value will be 03 by default. Authorization check is required, and there will be default value will be filled with this one. Display field values icon. So it contains two field values, activity and AP. This authorization object contains two field values, activity and APPKZ, and they are having some values. 03 default, they are having 02, but they can have CG, we can specify here also. Now we are going to create a role. Under that role we are going to assign this T code, and then we are going to identify what are the default values. Create a role. Menu item, we will assign this FD03 T code, and we will check what are the authorization values are coming. So those values are coming from the SU24 FD03. Authorization, change data, okay. It is asking for the company code. We give full authorization for company code. Okay, save it. Even after that, we are having some yellow ink, but another business partner role, it's not mentioned here, so we can assign the business partner role here. So we can select from here, and so this authorization object will be having two field. One is activity, another is this one. I have opened a new session and I can SU24. So then this is just a relation. You can check can mention other values also. And then we are having RLT YP. RLT YP, then RLT YP, RLT YP business partner role. So here it is not mentioned, it is blank, it is blank. So this is unmaintained value. So the person, if you want to, like suppose I want to put any value here, let's see, I will just mention any value and then we will, okay, it is FD03 transaction is logged by user. Okay, I am using some. Okay, so now I'm going to change this default value for business partner. I am going to put some value here. RLTP. I am going to assign some business